Hi everyone, my name is Shivajit Shah. Welcome to our YouTube channel Helm of Science. So in the previous class we have discussed about the we have started the reaction intermediate, and on that class, the last previous class, I have done the all carbocation stability characteristics, preparation, how the carbocation is generate, how the carbocation can generate, and the reaction involved with carbocation, and most importantly the stability of carbocation is briefly discussed in the previous class. So now I am now continuing the second part of this reaction intermediate, and today I will go to discuss about three species. I am trying to finish these three topic simultaneously. At least number one is carbanion, number two is carbocation, and number three is free radical. Now first is carbanion. Now what is carbanion? Not carboanion. That is actual spelling pronunciation is carbanion. What is carbanion? Let's see. Suppose this is CH3. This is attached with some metal. Fine. This is CH3. This is attached with some metal. If so, we know that the metals are less electronegative than carbon. Metal are less electronegative than carbon. Now what happens? Then metal donates its electron density on the carbon atom. Metal donates its electron density at the carbon atom, and the carbon have the negatively charged. Now the carbon have the negatively charged species. Fine. This can be metal, this can be any other group which is less electronegative than carbon atom. Then these types of species will generate, that is called carbanion. Now what is the carbanion? What is the main characteristics of carbanion? First of all, you see that what is the hybridization of this reaction intermediate. First, write characteristics. Fine. Number one. Now look at the characteristics first. What is the hybridization of this reaction intermediate? How to calculate the hybridization of any organic species? Calculate the sigma bond and non-bonding electron. You can calculate the lone pair also, but not pi bond. Okay, 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bond, 3 sigma bond, and 1 minus. So what happened? CH3 minus is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means sp3 hybridized. First sp3 hybridized. Fine. Now what next? What is the type of species? Is it electrophile or it is nucleophile? Now look at very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a 8 electron species or electron excess species. Fine. 8 electron species or excess electron species. Now due to this excess electron species, it acts as a nucleophile because it is already have negatively charged, highly negatively charged. So it will try to go electrophile. That means it is a electron lover. So it is it is acts as a nucleophile. Okay, it is act as a nucleophile because it has already negatively charged and it is susceptible towards nucleus or positively charged species. So this is actually act as a nucleophile. The third point is very important. This is act as a fine. Now next point is what is the shape of this carbanion. Now what is the shape? This is sp3 hybridized, so it should be tetrahedral, but there is no present of any sigma bond, so it is look like pyramidal. So structure look like pyramidal. And lastly, because this is an 8 electron species, it is a diamagnetic characteristic, diamagnetic in nature. Why? They are all characteristics of a carbon ion. Fine. Now, next is I am giving you just two example of the stability of carbon ion. The stability of carbon ion is just reverse of stability of carbon ion. This it is so study of stability of carbon ion is very easy. Okay, fine. Now I am giving you two examples. Now look at this problem. Fine. First calculate how to decide the stability of this carbon ion. Okay. First decide the hybridization of all carbon which has the negatively charge. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sp3 hybridized. This is sp 1, 2, 3 sp2 and this is 1, 2. That means sp. So the percentage of S character is C greater than B greater than A, because sp has 50% S character, it has 33% S character and it has 25% S character. Fine. Okay, so the S character is C greater than B greater than A. Now the negative charge on a electronegative atom is stable because electronegative atom try to pull the electronegative density from this carbon ion, so the carbon ion become neutral. So the S character increases and hence also the stability of the carbon ion is also increases. So what is the stability? C greater than B greater than A. Fine. This is actually reverse of the carbocation. If there is a carbocation present in this situation, then the electronegativity of carbon atom will destabilize or unstabilize the carbocation. But in case this electronegativity helps to pull the electron density from the electronegative atom and give the stability. So what is the stability order? There is C greater than B greater than A. Now going to the next example. Now compare the stability A, B and C. Fine. Both A, B and C has resonance, passing through resonance. Okay, A, B, C both are passing, all of them passing through resonance. So resonance is not the key factor which decide which one is more stable and which one is less stable. Now fine. In this case, there is a plus I effect is present. And in this case there is 2 plus I effect is present. There is only plus I and there is 2 plus I effect, and there is no plus I effect is present. Fine. Now in that case you can say this H show hyperconjugation effect. Now listen very carefully, note and listen very carefully. In case of carbon ion, hyperconjugation is not considered. Conjugation on no bond resonance is not considered. Hyperconjugation is not considered. Why? We do not consider the hyperconjugation effect because H has a plus or H effect. It's don't suppose okay, this has a plus H effect. This donate the electron density, so it has already minus charge. When it try to give its electron density, there is an electronic repulsion takes place because CH2, I can say hydrogen shows plus H effect. There is two types of effect, that is plus H or minus H. If there is a electronegative atom, then that will show minus H effect, and that is this minus H effect is can stabilize the carbon ion. So now in this parameter we do not consider the plus H effect of hydrogen, so we here consider only resonance effect and only the inductive effect. Now negative charge is unstable by the inductive plus I effect, so here the maximum unstable is maximum, this is maximally unstable because there is 2 plus I effect, and this is maximum stable, there is because of no plus I effect is present. So what is the stability order? B greater than A greater than C. Fine. That is our required answer. Fine. Now this is the last problem based on the carbon ion. So what is carbon ion? In this case, it has plus R effect, it has minus R effect, NO2 has minus R effect as well as minus I effect, and electronegative atom has minus I effect. So any negative charge species is stabilized by minus I, minus R and minus H. In this case the stability is maximum because here minus R is also minus R, minus I is present with also minus R effect. That is why it is more stable. And in this case of halogen, only minus I effect is operating. So this is the second one, and this is unstable by the plus R effect of, because the negative charge species is highly unstable by the plus R effect. So it is the last order. It is a least stable species. Fine. Okay, this is the stability of our carbonate. These three example is, I think this is more than enough to solve any type of problem. So try it every each problem on the basis of carbonate. And now the most important thing is which types of reaction involving the reaction intermediate carbonate. Mainly we have discussed the aldol chemistry, that means the name reaction present in the enolate chemistry in the class 12 in carbonyl compounds is all are passing through the carbanion reaction intermediate. That is why this reaction intermediate is too much important in terms of our organic chemistry. Fine. Next I am discussing free radical. Okay, fine. Now I am going to discuss the free radical. Now first, again these types of question will arise, the how a free radical will generate. Suppose CH3, it is not alkyl halide. This is X, CH3X. Now what happened in case of carbon ion? What happened? This X is more electronegative than carbon. Then this electron cleave heterolytically and form a carbocation. This was the carbocation. Now how this free radical will generate? Okay. Free radical will generate by the homolysis, by the homolytic cleavage of a bond. I am again repeating, free radical will generate by homolytically cleavage is bond, and this is written as this dot. This is expressed as free radical. This is expressed as free radical. Now very clear how the free radical will generate. Free radical will generate by the homolytic cleavage or homolysis. Fine. Firstly, this is an odd electron species. What odd electron? First, I am writing here characteristics. Characteristics. First one is, this is odd electron species. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 electron species, or I can say odd electron species. Now second, what is, if this is odd electron species, then so it has an unpaired electron. That is, this electron is not paired. So free radical is paramagnetic in nature. Very important. Nature. Now third, this bond will cleave homolytically. So what happened? This electron have some electron deficiency because its electron pulls by the homolytic bond cleavage. So this is electron deficient species, or it acts as a electrophile. Fine, this act as a electrophile. Now fourth point, hybridization. Hybridization. Now what is the hybridization of this CH3 dot? Is 3.5 because it has a odd electron pair. Now very carefully, what is the shape? It is very interesting. If free radical has alkyl group, if free radical has alkyl group, that means R group, CH3, CH2, CH2, allylic, alkylic, vinyl group. What is the alkyl group? Any alkyl group, then it is what it is? Just a minute. So if the free radical has alkyl group, then it is sp2 hybridized, and if the free radical has any electronegative group, then it is sp3 hybridized. Why? Because from the Benz rule in class 11 in chemical bonding, we know that the electronegative atom try to occupy where the S character or percentage of S character is less. That is why when the free radical contains electronegative group, that become sp3 hybridized. Suppose CF3 dot, CCl3 dot, like that, and any free radical has alkyl group, then it is sp2 because there is no electronegative atom. So there are the some characteristics. Sorry for the interruption. I am repeating again. If the hybridized or free radical contain alkyl group, then it is sp2 hybridized, and when the free radical contain any electronegative group, that is sp3 hybridized, and that is ruled by Benz rule. And lastly, I can say, so okay, this is enough. These characteristics are enough. Fine. Now stability. I am doing 2 or 3 problems on the stability of free radical. Now, stability of free radical is like the stability of carbocation, because both are electron deficient species. Okay, fine. It is odd electron species, and the free radical is odd electron species, and carbonate is not odd electron species, but both are electron deficient. So it follows the stability of carbocation, like carbocation is stabilized by plus R, plus H, and plus I, and the free radical will also stabilize by plus R, plus H, and plus I. Okay, fine. Now compare the stability of this free radical. Fine. Now this is also resonance stabilized. This is also resonance stabilized. But here this is stabilized by the only the plus I effect of CH3 group. So between A, B, and C is least stable. Now between A and B both are stabilized by resonance, but in this case plus I effect also with plus IH effect of this CH3 group is stabilize this free radical. So the stability order is B greater than A greater than C. Fine. This is the stability order of this free radical. Now I am going to the next problem. So this is our next problem, and it is probably the last problem of this class. Now fine. A, B, C, and D. This is electron deficient species, so it is stabilized by the plus R or plus H. Okay, plus R, plus H, and plus I. So now in this case, this is stabilized by this plus R of OH. Now in this case, there is no effect, plus R, minus I. Any effect is not present in this case. Now here minus R, minus I is present, and in this case only minus I. So which one is more stable? This one is more stable, then this one, then this one, then this one. Why? Because electron deficient contains species any nitro group showing, because nitro group showing minus IR and minus I, and it's for this electron density, so this is most unstable species among 4. Fine. This was the about the free radical, and there is 2 points about free radical. That is, free radical is very short-lived in nature, very short-lived. It's like very short-lived. I think the characteristics, I forgot about what is the number of characteristics, but this is a very short-lived, and this is very susceptible towards any type of reaction. Next, what the types of reaction involves free radical? Mostly halogenation of alkane. Halogenation of alkane is going by the free radical. Peroxide effect is going by the free radical, and third one is very important name reaction in class 12 is Hunsrücker reaction. Hunsrücker reaction followed the intermediate free radical. So in this second part of the free radical, we have discussed the free radical and carbon ion. That is most important part, and next day I will discuss about the free radical carbene, nitrogen and benzene, and then in the next class our reaction intermediate will finish. Fine, keep studying and thanks to watching.